Success is a process, not an event. So don't settle. Let's take 10 more steps. In this 10 Kadam series, part 1, we will discuss 10 illustrations of rotational motion. A rod of length L has a non-uniform linear mass density. This is rho is linear mass density, means it is given to us, that is mass per unit length. That is a linear mass density. Where A and B are constant and x is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to L. The value of the x for the center of mass of the rod. हमें सेंटर ऑफ मास का x कोऑर्डिनेट निकालना है. जब भी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, वी नो द फॉर्मूला xcm is given by integration dm into x upon integration dm. So let we say this is the rod of the length L, and at a distance x we take the elemental part of width dx, and this dx is having the mass dm. Dm we can easily write, that is the mass per unit length. It is given to us a plus b into x upon L whole square into dx. So you can open the bracket, it will be a dx plus b x square upon L square into dx. Now we put all the values in the formula. Integration dm into x means we have to multiply by this dm into x, so it is given by integration a x dx plus b by L square multiplied by x, it is x cube dx upon integration dm, directly we write a dx plus b upon L square into x square dx. And what is the limit of integration? 0 to L, because total length is L. So next step, a is here, x dx is x square by 2, 0 to L, so it is L square by 2 plus b by L square. Then this is x cube, so x4 by 4 we can write, it is known as the L4 by 4 upon, this is a into dx, x is L minus 0, so it is a into L plus b by L square, that is x square dx is x cube by 3, that is L cube by 3. Further we will solve it. We can say L square is common here and 2 is also common here, so here is it is a and here it is b, that is L square you have taken common, so L is, of course L square we cancellizing, and it is b by 2 upon, we take here L common, so it is a plus b by 3, because L is common, L squares L, so finally L will be cancellized. We solve it further, what we will get, this is written as 2a plus 2b divided by 2 to the 4 upon 2a plus b, not 2a plus 2b, this is 2a plus b, 2a plus b. Then next here it is 3a plus b divided by 3 and 1 by 2, okay, we have taken there, so it is written as a 3 by 4, then 2a plus b upon 3a plus b, and L is also remaining, so into L. So if you observe the options, I think it is visible to all of us that option C is the correct answer of this problem.